Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about the safety and emergency procedures during changeover of control of main engine and steering gear system unit. In this report I will discuss about the procedures for emergency maneuvering, procedures for starting emergency steering system, what is emergency steering, and procedure for emergency steering operation. Most of the important machineries on ships are always provided with emergency backup or standby system which can be used in case of failure of the main unit. There are many factors which may lead to maritime accidents nowadays. It's a fact though that there is an increase in the number of accidents caused by main engine failure. This kind of failure may probably be caused to the operator due to the delays at the operator route, machinery damage, or even assistance is needed from towing companies. Main engine failure could also be the reason of collision as a result of inadequate communication with nearby vessels. So, the procedure for emergency maneuvering. The changeover and operating procedure differs from engine to engine as different control systems are adapted from different engine types. However, the basic remains the same. When there is automation or remote control failure, alarm the changeover of control is to be done from remote to local control stand. The changeover procedure can be done with marine engine in stop as well as running condition. First, change control from wheelhouse to ECR, and both the telegraph on wheelhouse and ECR are to be in stop position. Bring the fuel level of wheelhouse and ECR in stop position. A changeover switch is provided in the ACR, operated from ECR to local. The local control stand is normally located in the engine room near the fuel pump platform of the main engine or on the main marine engine. Go to the local control station and change over the fuel pump control shaft from the local to manual. A cone clutch arrangement or a mechanical lever arrangement may be provided. Depending upon the engine type, a locking pane or a clip may be provided for the above arrangement as an additional safety so that it should not come out in normal operation. So the procedure for starting emergency steering system. An emergency steering system, as a name suggests, is a system which is used during the failure of the main steering system of the ship. The article explains as to what exactly is the steering system and what the procedure for starting the emergency steering system is. So, what is emergency steering? A ship consists of electromechanical steering gear unit which steers vessels from one port to another. Normally, steering gear unit is 2 or 4 ram electrohydraulically operated unit with 2 or more hydraulic motor from the ram. A situation can occur in which the remote control operation may fail to work and there can be a sudden loss of steering control from the bridge. This can be due to sudden power failure, any electrical fault in the system or the control system, which includes faulty telemotor or servo motor, which is used for transferring the signal from the bridge to the steering unit. To have the control the steering of the ship at such emergency situation with manual measure from within the steering gear room, an emergency steering system is used. So the procedure for emergency steering operation. The following points should be followed for emergency steering operation. The procedure and diagram for operating emergency steering should be displayed in the steering gear room and bridge. Even the emergency situation, we cannot turn the massive rudder by hand or any other means. Ensure a clear communication for emergency operation via VHF or ship telephone system. Normally, a switch is given in the power supply panel or steering gear for telemotor. Switch off the supply from the panel. Change the mode of the operation by selecting the switch for the motor which is supplied emergency power. There is a safety pane at the manual operation helms wheel so that during normal operation, the manual operation always remains in the cut-off mode. Remove that pane. A helm's wheel is provided which controls the flow of oil to rams with a rudder angle indicator. Wheel can be turned clockwise or anti-clockwise for going port or starboard or vice versa. A routine check should always be done for proper working of manual emergency system and steering gear system. An emergency steering drill should be carried out every month, prescribed duration of 3 months, in the steering gear room with proper communication with the bridge. So that's all. I hope you have something to learn about my report. Thank you for listening. Stay safe always and God bless.